Good evening, partners. This is the unit number 2, the step number 3, and this is the new designing teaching material with a web 2.0. And the tool that I have chosen is Edmo. I think it's very useful to take this in account when we start to use a different kind of tools in this new world, which is everything with technology. So I think it's pretty handy because as a teacher you can design quizzes, tasks, assignments. You also have a library to use where you can save all your material, and also you can use OneDrive and Google Drive to save your quizzes, documents, and stuff like that. So my opinion, guys, is this is very amazing to use because you also can share your knowledge with different kind of schools like this, which is English Teaching 101. You also can meet different teachers around the world, and you also can set a schedule for the task, and you also have groups, and you decide the name, the schedule. If you need to create special group of classes, and one of the best tools is to spread knowledge, and this is like a wall of Facebook. It's like Facebook, which is pretty familiar to use. You also can see the progress of the student. You can select the group that you want to see, and yeah, you can design the grade with numbers and letters that you can see. So I think it's very useful to use. It doesn't matter if you are a student or a teacher, and also this works if you are a parent. You can realize how is your daughter and your son going at school, at the academy, which is the place where I'm working right now. I work in an English academy, and we use this to take all the information of every single student and to show them for what is the grade that they are getting, and also to have order to do all the stuff that we are making this time. And you can share videos, you can share pictures, you can create questions, and I think one of the best skills, the best tools to use this kind of web 2.0 is to get in touch right away when you are writing to your teacher, because you can have a place where you can talk with your teacher, with your classmate. Like I told you, it's like having a Facebook account, so you can talk with people and send documents, PowerPoint presentations, and is to keep talking, is to keep the contact with your students and you as a teacher, right? So I think it's pretty useful. We only need to have some basic digital skills like writing documents, how to copy and paste different links if you want to share a video, wiki, a blog, and you also can develop tasks, exams, and I think it's very cool to use when you have the notice chart, so you can see what are your students doing right now, so you can keep in touch, and you every time you are knowing what are they doing on time. And yeah, guys, this is pretty cool. And well, I think it's all. This is my video. The last tool that I decided to use was YouTube, but I think this is like a very good join to join Edmodo and YouTube, because you can share videos. You can start making a comment like, "Hi guys, I want to share. Okay, I want to share a video about vowels," and you copy the link and you paste it on this chart, and then the only thing you gotta do is to send it to your group. So thank you guys for your attention. Have a good night.